This is way too many. Okay. How am I not getting this, dude? It's like 24. I'm just gonna cut all this out anyways, just to make us look like professionals.
You don't.
Alright guys, what's cracking? So, I'm not even like 2 minutes into this entire process and I'm already soaked. I tried to drain the radiator and then just got everything all over myself. This is already going to be a giant adventure, but just so you guys can see, I get some lift time, you know what I'm saying? So my goal is to hopefully get this motor out tonight so that way I can just get that over with. So I got to drain all the fluids, get everything done, and then start just going at whatever I got to do. This is going to go everywhere. No, I'm good. Okay, so like I said, wanted to drain the radiator and I pulled the whole fucking petcock out and just all over. I wish I was recording then. Totally not, but I already know this is how things are gonna go. But like I said, basically want to drain all the fluids, get everything taken out since the harness is already out. The next bit should just be really full. The next bit should just be really fun. Like I said, I'm terrible at explaining things and I'm just gonna go at this as fast as I can to try to knock this shit out. So let's see how far we get. Alright guys, I got the axles out, just chugging along. Someone came, had to pick up their car, so I had to pick that up. Now I get to deal with this bullshit, but look at this. I don't even have the cover for the fucking bitch pin. That's the way I've been driving. So gotta pop that out, pull this out, and then we should just be good. I just got the harness out and everything else. Disconnect this guy and then keep going. It's been fun. Just trying to knock all this stuff out and finish up work here, so hopefully the next little bit goes well. All right, tight. Alright guys, I got the fluid out. It was actually really cool. The oil actually looked very nice. It was almost clear still. Same with the transmission, which is cool because this is still just one of those random JDM importer B20s. And to be honest, the oil looked amazing. So I'm pretty confident that everything inside of this block is actually very nice. Like the rings must be very good. No blow by, no nothing. Like the motor has been incredibly healthy even after track days. So either way, glad everything's drained. Now on to the next stuff. So header's off, probably going to be calling it soon because Travis is over there working on his motor, and we're probably going to leave soon, so I don't exactly want to just be standing around with half an engine sticking out of my car. So I've basically claimed this lift because well, I took my suspension out, so good luck moving it, but actually Travis will find a way, so never mind. Yeah, so here we are, everything's kind of taken out. I got the bracket back here, this stupid charcoal canister. I'm probably gonna jack that off. I don't want to loosen any of the fuel lines because fire, I don't know. But then for the most part, I think we're good. Probably tomorrow I will knock out the rest of it and just get the motor out. But for the most part, I'm just disconnecting everything that I'm gonna need to get out. That way, I don't know, you know, it's just ready to go. But stupid amount of progress today, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then we'll see how far we get tomorrow.
The next day.
Dope. All right, so I filmed absolutely nothing because that's exactly what I said I was gonna do, because I don't know, if I just didn't go for it and try to do like camera stuff, it wasn't gonna happen tonight. So we're just doing it. But just to walk around, everything's off. You know the drill. The T-bracket back here is just super loose, so that's gonna be a pain in the ass in a second. But We're just gonna blast these guys off, and then I got this trusty little dolly that's made of not wood, but I've seen wood ones hold it. So
Hopes and dreams.
yeah, hopes and dreams. Anyone just hold that?
Yeah, sure.
Sweet.
Oh, I think I touched something. Oh no.
That's fine. Okay. Hopefully this.
You need an extension?
Nah, you know what? It's not gonna work.
Why not?
Oh, I guess so. But it won't drop. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well.
Oh, should have probably done them halfway and halfway.
So basically, I mean, you know, long story short,
Don't.
one of these systems, which is either the
Power tools, bro. Can't.
Best.
The best. That bolt.
It's kind of fun.
Okay. Gotta keep all these bolts together.
Yeah.
I'm king of two things: stripping bolts and losing them. Nothing good. Nothing good about this. Okay.
Tap it up.
Yeah, just tap it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, stop. Just keep all that shit together. Okay, go. Keep going.
Stop. Yeah, Q1, that's awful connected.
Yep. I wanted to do that last because, like,
Yeah,
I don't want
fuel.
gas to fucking go everywhere. Just way too many. Okay. How am I not getting this, dude? It's like 24. 22. Barely over. Alright, I got really tired of walking back and forth. I should probably
brought
do
them
this,
all.
but... Okay, 22. That's cool. I like the snap-ons.
I think either way, I mean, yeah, if it were,
What's that?
I think my hunch is, and Travis,
Trying to match sounds.
Well, that could be it.
That was that. Okay.
so that's why my hunch is, it could be something in the electric dog,
Ooh, shit.
my hunch is that it's
Just gonna cut all this out anyways, just to make us look like
Yeah,
professionals.
you don't need fuel, right? No fuel rail.
No, I'm gonna remove all this. Yeah. You just fucking rip the whole.
All of what?
We're gonna rip the whole fuel out anyways. Hashtag JB tuned. Oh yeah, I need to talk to JB. If you guys need fuel solutions, JB tuned though, you know.
Down.
Alright guys, well the motor is out. It's over there. As you guys can see. It was not that big of a pain, but ta-da! Cool. The motor's out. I'm super juiced about this, so I'm gonna start packing this guy up. Put this in the corner, probably get the wheels on, or at least try to, and then probably wrap it up for this one. I just really wanted to make sure I at least got the motor out, because then other stuff can start going down. But we can take a little peep ski over here and just show you how nasty this is. We actually wiped this off with like Windex, and then that was just existing. I think it's from my power steering leaking for ages. But anyways, that's where we're at right now. So yeah, don't know what next, but like I said, the motor is out, this is out, and then I can start the cleaning process. I'll probably do it by hand for a bit. Maybe I'll do it with the pressure washer, get some degreaser and do something like that. But yeah, I don't really know where else to go with this. I got to fix the harness, clean up the block, clean up that, and then I just wanted to get some progress done. So I'll be making a lot more videos, obviously, to keep coming out. But cool, guys. If you guys liking the Del Sol content, let me know in the comments below. And then, yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.